In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to Jobber Invoice. By the end, your invoices will reflect your brand clearly and professionally, so clients know exactly who they're hearing from the moment they open your documents. First, head to the Jobber website in your browser and sign into your account. You'll land on the home dashboard. Any plan or trial is fine for this process, but you do need the right permissions to change company settings, so make sure you're an admin or have access to account settings. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct company account if you manage more than one. Next, open Settings. Depending on your layout, this may be in the sidebar or near your profile area. If you don't see it at first glance, expand the menu or scroll. Jobber sometimes collapses navigation on smaller screens. Settings is where you control account-wide preferences, so making changes here ensures your logo appears on customer-facing documents like invoices, quotes, and emails. From Settings, choose Business Profile. This section holds your company name, contact details, and the visual elements that represent your brand. It's the central place Jobber uses to pull your logo into templates automatically, so updating it here keeps everything consistent without editing each invoice individually. Inside Business Profile, look for the Brand Assets area, then select Add Logo. Before you upload, a quick tip on file prep. A high-quality PNG with a transparent background usually looks best, especially over colored headers. Aim for a square or horizontal version that's at least 500 pixels wide, under a few megabytes in size, and free of extra white space around the edges so it doesn't appear tiny. Avoid low-resolution or heavily compressed images that can look blurry when printed or converted to PDF. Click Add Logo, choose your file, and upload. If Jobber offers a preview or size adjustment, use it to make sure the logo is legible and not crowding the layout. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Your logo will now populate on new invoices created in Jobber. To confirm, open or preview an invoice and check the header. If the logo appears too small, too large, or off color, adjust the original file, re-upload, and save again. Keeping a clean master file on your computer makes quick updates easy as your brand evolves. That's it. By adding your logo in the Business Profile's brand assets, you've ensured every invoice carries a consistent professional look without extra work on each document.